To send an email from a SalesMate CRM, it's crucial to have already connected your email to the system. If you haven't done so, you'll need to complete this step first once your email is connected. There are several ways to send an email directly from the CRM. The easiest method is to click on the person icon, which displays all contacts. Select the desired contact by checking the box next to their name. Then click on the Email option at the top left. This will open a Compose email box where you can type your message. Alternatively, you can email multiple people at once by selecting multiple contacts and following the same steps. If you prefer to email individuals separately, you can click on their name to open their contact details. Then click on the envelope icon to compose an email. Another option is to click on the envelope icon on the left, which takes you to your inbox, where you can click the Compose button to start a new email. In all cases, the process is straightforward, allowing you to efficiently manage your communications without having to switch between different programs. This functionality is particularly useful for those running online businesses with numerous leads or contacts, as it saves time and streamlines workflow.